Hello all, this is me, Soundarya KS. In this video, we would be doing class 2. Now, here, this is code.org. We would be doing our class 2 in code.org only because this is more interactive and it is slightly different than p5.js. So we need to learn about code.org also, right? Let's start. Click on the game lab and untitled project will be there. Click remix and rename it to your convenient name. I will rename it as class 2 and click save. After your project has been saved in the desired name you want, let us start the project. Now, class 2 needs to have 4 boxes. The 4 boxes needs to be in here. This is ball number 1, ball number 2, ball number 3, ball number 4. When I say ball, it is the rectangular ball. This image is looking awkward. Okay, sorry for the images. Now here, I would be creating the 4 balls now. Let me create the variable. Variable ball 1. Here in code.org, everything is sprites. There is a separate, this is a toolbox and you get this called variable sprite is equal to create sprite. And sprite.set animation labels sprite.x position which will determine the x, sprite.y, velocity x, velocity y, scale, height, width, visible, rotate to direction. So these all are some command for these sprite objects. But let us not go too far now itself. Let us stop by the create sprite. You can also put it as show block so that it will be very easy for you. Now I am going to put ball 1. The sprite X position would be, you can hover it and find it. Let me put 15. 15, comma, 10, comma, 15. Oh, you need to put 15, comma, 10, comma, 15, comma, 15. Let me go to the show text because it will be more easier for me. Now, I will create another sprite. Sorry. This sprite would be ball 2. Here, this would be this one, which is 350, comma, 10, comma, 15, comma, 15. Now is our next sprite. This one would be this ball, which is ball 3. Ball 3. Now in this one, I will be using the same X position because X position is this sleeping line and Y position is this straight line. So now 15, comma, 10, comma, 15, comma, 15. Now the next one. I'll drag and drop it. Ball 4. Can you guys notice something? I am just creating and going, but it is not displaying at all. Can you guess why? I'll tell you. It is because we need to display it. We need to draw it. We have just created it. I have already told you creating is different from drawing. So we have created it, but we have not displayed or drawn it. For that, we have a command in the word which is to draw sprites. We will pull it and paste it here. Whoa, we got a sprite. But can you notice that two of them are missing? Yes, it is because I have repeated the code. I have used the same Y position. The Y position will be different. So I'll use 380 here and 380 here also. Wow, I got the code. Now we want all the four balls to go in this direction and meet up in the center, which is here. They all need to meet up here. How is it possible? We need to move the ball. In class 1, we already moved that rectangular ball in the ping pong game. So the same way, we would be having the velocity x and y for these balls. I will drag and drop it for the sprite dot velocity x. Is it sprite dot velocity x? No, we need to do our own name sprite. Ball 1 and is equal to, this is the ball 1 and this needs to go here, which means the x position is plus and the y position is also plus. So I will do the speed of 2. Number lock again. Okay, 1 minute. Yes, 2. Now the y position will also be 2 and we are done. Okay. Can you see this semicolon? Okay, missing semicolon. Great. Now I will do the same thing for ball number 2 also. I'll change it to ball number 2 and here the x position would be, it needs to go here. So the x position will be obviously minus. And ball number 3. Okay, before going to ball number 3, let me check the code. Reset the code and run it. Whoa! Yes, we did achieve it, but we are getting a bug like this, which is not good. Let me tell the solution for the bug. It is because we have not created the background for this canvas. Why background is so important? Because I will tell you that this one is just setting up the board. Here is function draw. Only function draw repeats itself. That means when computer reads the code, it will read till line number 13 and from line number 13 to line number 18, it will read again and again and again and again and it will execute the draw function again and again. These function out of the draw function, it will be executed only once. It won't be executed again and again. That's why if we draw the background in the draw function, the background will be executed many times so that the bug will be behind the background. Okay, now let us give ball 3. Ball 3 and velocity x would be, I gave it. So velocity would be x position needs to go like this. So plus y position will be needs to go like this. So minus. So here it would be minus. Now I paste the same code and write for ball 4 also. Ball 4 both will be minus because the exposition is going this side. Oh, great, we did it. Wow, it's working. Oh no, what happened? My ball vanished away. Let's see about this code in the next video. If you like this video, share, subscribe and like this video. Thank you.